again, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button to become a part of the gang. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial, a makeup look. That's why I look kind of crazy right now. I just put on some lip gloss so it don't really look all that crazy, but I have my bandana on covering my hair right now. Excuse my pimple, but hey, we about to look like a baddie. We about to glow up. So we're gonna get right into it. For this look that I'm doing, I'm gonna put a picture. I had recently did this look a couple weeks ago, and I asked y'all on my Instagram if y'all wanted to see this look. So make sure you follow me on Instagram so you can know which video will be coming next. It will always be down in the description box. But we're gonna get started. So first off, I'm gonna start with my brows. Okay, so first off, I'm going to grab an angled brush. Make sure it's nice and sharp, and I'm using the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in dark brown. I don't really like to use a spoolie, so I just comb out my brows like that. So I just literally just dip it, just like 2 taps. Anyways, babies, thank you for watching today's video. I hope you like this look. I know it's kind of bold, but you gotta be out of your comfort zone sometimes. So make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and leave some comments down below of a video that you want to see next.